Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how to fix the Facebook Reels Something Went Wrong problem, step by step. If you're facing this issue while trying to watch or upload Reels, don't worry, I've got a few simple fixes for you. Let's get started. Step 1, check your internet connection. A weak or unstable internet connection can cause this issue. Try reconnecting to your Wi-Fi network or switching to a different mobile data network. If the problem persists, turn airplane mode on and off to refresh your connection. Step 2. Restart or update your Facebook app. First, close the Facebook app completely and reopen it. If that doesn't work, check if an update is available. Open your App Store on iPhone or Google Play Store on Android. Search for Facebook and tap Update if available. Updating the app ensures you have the latest bug fixes and improvements. Step 3. Restart or update your mobile device. If the issue still isn't resolved, try restarting your phone. If that doesn't help, check for a software update. Open your Settings app, tap General, then select Software Update. If an update is available, tap Download and Install. Keeping your phone's software up to date can fix compatibility issues with apps like Facebook. That's it. Hopefully, one of these methods helped fix your Facebook Reels issue. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tech tips.